To strengthen the integrity of the H-1B registration process and minimize fraud risks, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) has introduced a final rule for the fiscal year 2025 H-1B cap. This new rule implements a beneficiary-centric selection process, ensuring fairness and equal opportunities for all beneficiaries, regardless of the number of registrations submitted on their behalf. Moving forward, registrations will be selected based on unique beneficiaries, reducing the potential for fraud and ensuring equal chances for the selection. Starting from the FY 2025 initial registration period, USCIS will require registrants to provide valid passport or travel document information for each beneficiary. Additionally, the final rule clarifies requirements for the requested employment start date on certain petitions subject to the H-1B cap, allowing filing with start dates after October 1st of the relevant fiscal year. The rule also formalizes USCIS's authority to deny or revoke H-1B petitions if the registration contains false attestation or is otherwise invalid. USCIS has also introduced a fee schedule final rule effective after the initial registration period for the FY 2025 H-1B cap. The initial registration period for the FY 2025 H-1B cap is set to open on March 6, 2024 and will run through March 22, 2024. Organizational accounts for collaboration on H-1B registrations, petitions and associated forms will be launched by USCIS on February 28, 2024. Online filing of Form I-129 and Form I-907 for non-cap H-1B petitions will also commence on the same date. While petitioners can still file paper Form I-129 H-1B petitions, online filing options will be available starting April 1, 2024. USCIS Director Ur Amjadov emphasized, the improvements in these areas should make H-1B selections more equitable for petitioners and beneficiaries and will allow for the H-1B process to be fully electronic from registration until the final decision. These reforms are aimed at enhancing the overall H-1B program, making it more transparent, efficient and resilient against fraudulent activities.